mona chifancheto chandizi TVS ande onsies more tokorenga nyasaye no miyo barendire na inde more chinguru gotorigere igage se studio ninche mwana mukuru weta matensigara cigarette nonde no yo minto ga igatiga bate ibuna koroko
enche enkoroko Modesta karibu
Wano ncherero nimbwate mechando timaite goseni chifans ngotei gose Modesta ngotei anyway tgankwa no ri orankonya lakini mono Modesta na enkagertora chigonkonya bwango ntarachikora comment wano nche nimbwate umusani one twakindira komokoro obwana ende noro chamangana yense naro obwancha nimboro omonto kokwa beirega okorora kwa beire nkuru momuro gotebiringa kwa mogokiri mwanchanire bono of course nimbwate umwanchi one lakini tubwate chishida mono lakini bono musani oyone korubwana nabwate nero umwanchi oye lakini umwanchi oyo yenchira to correlate squeeze bono yabire ngani tutogo chikwanchana onganchire nchira gete na inche bono tumeto sense itani gosena chisokoro na inche ngwete ngangonya kumwanchande bono lakini tima itingi
tinda kubwata bia umusani boyfriend yao
boyfriend best friend yani nabo koranta kite sana kende yonsi konkora mutemande koraro bunare kende yonsi ngomote yankorere nkonkorerare kende yonsi neban botuko nkokorare lakini bono timai
ataragenderera ukwana baisikiti gambate amagana ayo kurangirwe date kwamanya kwenye mkuimukia basani bago kobagochio echina chi results kaniri ribakoragera bagasaine kurigererani
lakini umaito konya tubange tingana bego chikobo kumanya nera go chikobo best friend buno yare best friend yao bono kero nanyorte ikirasinga in a way ngochakare kero tore batatu inche era ni best friend yane agon treat more special than the other girl ninkarango korere nkosane no mwise koyo hindi nero manyite buno mwise ko minto koruboke korubwana
no where did you take sisters code ngayachi
bono
mubu ati sisters code
nero na kio ntaranjiro mumuro yo fully bado nimbwate chi tangu tinda manyangi bwene tokora lakini rende yente kanene twanchanire nimbwate affection yedi nere nabwate gochesinde lakini bado hatujafanya anything toganye tutorere buna togokora nere ngonya gontebia ari chinjera kuria tikane no mwise koyo kogera onganchire kubo mwise koyo
nkyo koroko bwanchani because inje tindo chiboso buno bwanchani that is last wose maybe your envete friend yao bunako ba treated ugataka gutwara feelings erinde nayo be treated bunako ba treated because she's like your sister kuika boundaries tibo nga kireni moko ngya gwanchana nainde
by the way kero bagote mwisiken to bwate intuitive sense eringa kero kuri eri umurega nabo kumanya yonko nkatira kero na murocheri tangani kamanyabo I avoided meeting them onge mwisiko yori kwenda kummeet na ale kwenda maybe ngenda ntikara sekretare omerane toendeka hivyo lakini sasa time fulani akachiaka force mwisiko ngenda pakoro tukaenda rindamo tuka exchange numbers so tukakuwa tunaongea na niuliza na kibest akaenda tembiari but slowly ekatan kobanga ne burden yane nga by the way tinana okoranga iwachete na kumiss
aba sasa barabuna bari kurukare kero kwa realize etiaga feeling yakunkaroro robusega chakire koba as a friend as your sister inkyota motebere tibo so keep off
I kept off bagacha gonforce nikaenda naende nari
kwa mwere namba esimu
omoise ko in fact nero moete kinkaranste gabo nimbwate namba moise ko
rio gongo because she trusts you as a sister
that's why sijamwambia
then ungesimama famu wote bi mumro ingaki I cannot do it
but this feeling ya very created imeane nere imeae nero
ine ndamwa mkwa bwate
timbwa tinda mwamu no enege tamase nakyo bado nde iga stuck tinda manya what's the next move whether I'm supposed to love him or say ti mwancha but I think probably
but you already have the answer to mwancha
no why
because ni boyfriend ya rafiki yako the moment uko so in the picture unaharibu relationship ya wenyewe because before change the picture mbai wana ine na ndembanja ine
mbai wana ine it has been through thick and thin moisiko yargocha kera rituko like you can count the number of hours.
Now you think you're different.
Probably yeah. Kogara so far bunan treat tani go treat moisiko nainde not with
kero
money.
Kero bacha kanete nkware ngororo because to gonte inga ngo barenge hostile omoisiko ya mwanje. Ebinte bibi angete gokorekana gatiga iga akamaya kongea gutwara issues. So in the beginning na mwanchite buna gwanchite nae. Open your eyes.
Ngisego kweresa nainde deeper when they fell in love omoisiko konya very heartbroken. Aku fall in love na uyu mvulana juu she wanted to move on from her past experience.
Now you are Dr. Love.
No, yani kinege ntoma iteko vera no tu
amira. I will not excuse you on that.
But maite oyino musani one.
Because already bonaiga you are flirting, is it?
Yeah.
Go flirt more. No mwisi ne girlfriend ya bado ne girlfriend. Tara motika, they are still dating. So what are you in the picture?
I'm their friend.
You are the other chick.
I'm their friend.
You are the other girl.
No, bado sijafika hapo.
Yes, you are. If you are flirting.
No.
Ile time yenye angekuwa na text girlfriend yake amwambie vile anampenda wewe ndiye ana text. So you are the other girl. Inaanzanga hivyo.
Anatutext sisi wote na he's giving me time maybe to settle from my past na yeye amalizane hizi vitu zenye kunazo sahi tuanchane inchenere.
Ikabona ore convinced ngabona obno bwanchane.
Yeah, kogera tane kon treat kendi yonsi eti kunionyesha eti ni pesa kunayo. Tane kongire eti ni out kubwa. We can go to ende kibanda tuikaranze ndie getheri, it's my favorite. Togore lakini ori ko temare kumwira chi hotel chine ne bari chips nini but wote and nanche nara ko data yane kogera this is something inde interested once bagote oyagote anchi by the way tinganchi tumo muroyo go past time manyese ngo move on gochi no yote basi timwanchi tinaye nganchite. So who am I tingire step gabo? I don't want money. Ntaito tu monto nkoro raiga sawa na niongelesha dirinta ito kwanro monto onkonya sinta ito bokonya. And ngo feel nganere
bokonyi ki to be specific.
Bokonyi ndatake mind advice. Konga kimbwati shida kurminto nkora mate nimemjaribu mara mbili.
Girlfriend yeye utakumate personal issues because she's your best friend, remember?
She doesn't. Sometimes na mtetie mechando ya naka enda kante baisiko after of course amenisaidia lakini ekagenda kirasi. Ngweta na tebuga naenda na tebuga naenda na tebuga.
Could it be like bona ego kumurigiria magoso because macho yako iko kwa boyfriend yake?
Hapana. In the very honest.
But you know she trusts you, ndio ape boyfriend yake namba yako, yeye kwa roho yake amekutrust kama dada yake.
Maybe
then
probably
you are here backbiting. Inune chimbe bachiri mokoro makwanya gutirira.
Probably gago ntumia arende komoruserie burden kogera ago claim tata getichali yeyo.
Imagine it were you in her shoes.
Kama
before you do something, nchengo te yavantu stand on the other side of the road. Urigireri gochaga igote bena ki onye ninjo muise calling alafu my friend I'm doing that to my friend. How will you feel? Because one nigga was going na issues huyu anasema they are passing time. It's because you have interest.
No, if honestly buna bagoteba bonds from both sides they are not intimate, I feel might of course love ikianza inakuanga mzuri yegochika gochinse.
So what happened wakati kwa intimate? You came in the picture. You happened. That is why they stopped being. No, you are not sure about it.
I know.
You don't know.
In fact, I can write for you a story, a whole book about them. Nabongo tekere gento kwera I've nabiri nabarabu all the way nimate igambali buya igambu yabali hivyo. I know.
Then instead ya kuangalia macho yako kukaa kwa boyfriend ya rafiki yako unafaa kuwaongelesha vile wanafaa kureconcile wakae pamoja.
I've tried that before.
No, you are trying to be the other woman. Mwenye anafanya wakosana. Then huyo mwanaume kazi yake ni hiyo, eyeing other women. So you think you are different.
Wanonka greto omumeire sata liko chiko.
Tia kuengaina baba sasa na baba bonsi. Kama anaweza kutoa kwa rafiki yake, what makes you think atachukua rafiki yako?
Sister kumit na marafiki zangu.
You see, you are scared.
Nitakuwa careful.
Because
I think
umemjua.
he's the right man. So far.
What makes you think?
Nani kwa so free.
Because angekuwa the right man, angewakalisha na huyo rafiki yako kwa meza, aongee point blank, ambie huyo rafiki, amotevi na ki, nchega kino twaberire naye, tindo chipo sia sinari togochi in front of you. Taringa mwaika mwa text ni kisirisiri, mugocha mukumera na mwase kabuna chi friends bado. Bakogenda nyomba ngako ko text onye ndiare straight kango diria ngete gutwara feelings na ria kumusiransia mote yaya tinda tiko ko waste time mchinanziro musani oyo tigatobere nere but now igare nere kale naye so uoni we ni side chick hapo na unaharibu relationship ya wenyewe
ndoche iko of course ne wiki ba gutigana alafu mimi next ndoche ngatogocha
naye sababu yo gutigana uko
probably lakini bono ntindi in the picture ntitimoka atiereti nero
nte nkyo gwanjera basasa bakwete bakaera
bono nere nanyorire umaite afadhali devil maite ko bwalira iko nimo maite na bonko tekire gento about him ndoche ngatogocha kwanchana na maybe a provoke rafiki yetu itabidi bono tuikarasi tomotebi we decided like this na inde mimi kupoteza umuise koyo as a friend tindo tusenke cost ya
sai uoni lakini tikangota hiyo story a friend of mine was married kera nyuamire bai wana umaite to kunyomana na muntu mutai wana ini siku hizi kose mokwega na mwanyomana kero banyomanete musachi ona bwate friend yae ukabara tari kwenya alikuwa na pikipiki wono kero bata kumutuma igento ne umuntu we pikipiki nera arenge family friend nera bagwakera umuto mariria regasi mutegenda nyomba irera mukane binte so in this process mukungu we bagachaka go gwanchana rendo gwanchana okukwa ogwate banchenta rochi bose no gwanchana bagachaka gwanchana no muntu we pigi trochi musacha tamanyeti bono musacha unataka mukaya rusiku nyomba umumurori we pigi because na mutrusted ni friend yaene arago tegenda nyomba orente umuyo morente in the process bagachaka gwanchana so mukungu akaba convinced bunori convinced nga banchanire yani bwanchani bwo muntu bwe pigipigi boro buya ko bwa bwo maene ko bwo mugakoye akibabona agachaka gukora ibintu live pako musacha agacha kumanyanga nabwate mumuro bwe pigipigi musacha yarita kiti kurwana buso gukora kiagacha agapak cyanga cya ngora akanganya gatigero mukungu uri nyomba na kiregento akagenda this stupid woman akawata karento musacha orwe pikipiki bakanya komenya nere nyomba omate babete maskani tari gocha aboro ya ikabakaba matukuma kego musacha akanya komote ibono nyana kurusetia so musacho ngakinde shwanga no naye muntu ndumunga otagocha kurusia senda amadara wakangea umuntu mumurori we pikipiki agatigo musibati oyo musibati uri agachandeka musacha oriko ochira onyomiro mukungu mungao agacha realizing oyo ne time wari ko western bono nkiyo komekia yogo feelinga ore more better or special than a friend yago chigotiga goche aba sacha nabo bari I will advise you mutigera kinonye gokomio muto chakolera baadaye
ono gingwa mwa go fall in love nere tingo erenda ti
that is not love
naria aracha kunda malete timaji
wono yunki agoste kende nke agoste ni leo ako enda sacha rero motebono gwachiri kuri kuna basa yani amadara wari arorona ki you are cheap onye kwanchite gung'ancha kimbwa kinde boyfriend yo musani o na kiutancho yo ndo munga
lakini nta sote box really immediately na ramu chanda techi wiki
it doesn't matter hata utake 1 year kukubali mwisho utakubali it's the same thing
igo bono afadhali wadate na yeye na njembe kuruma side chick bora nipate kile nataka
ni nini unataka umesema akupei pesa
yes
ni nini unataka kwake
tu I think komanya in mind he ni mbwate part of his heart
there are other men who are single out there why mburu na haribu relationship
but sijapata si tingo enda kukatia mumura because ni maitenare single
tora nyora singenzo umejiconfine oria ago take your time kira chinsa no ari message nini au party time yoko rigereri gochikando rene naki mumuronde na aroro untagete
okay mbaro na inde bawo katia lakini mbabu ati
umateka rote sigeti togosikwa the moment yoko ba cheap they will treat you cheaply respect yourself onye ndiribwe sigete to korera musani oyo nabasacha nabakuense ngima kango gwatetanga uyo Hapana, ni kama bwana ya dada yangu.
Basi
But because already desperate na kio mutakirete.
Yeah, tindi desperate.
You are.
I think ntobwate connection gete inchene.
Connection ki.
Yani chemistry ngirenta irese ikire gabu katika.
You last na bere go igunga you are in heaven.
Last lakini taria kobe on first sight.
Yenu ilikuwa wapi? Si ulisema alikuwa anakuangalia tangu siku ya kwanza. Kurumwe sarante kana kuligereti different.
Alafu atukuongea like a month.
So sasa na bago katira nonye 2 years. Achokangi until apate keria tagite. Neba 5 years na bakonya gukubwati kurumaye kugicha anyore keria tagite kurwa suri.
Basi na chaguile kobe side chick yae.
Aseki. Ai no muise komo ketari bana obwate. Injo sarari relationship yaba.
Tinko affect in any way.
Injo gotakera kobe side chikia so muntu tari gogokanya. Tari besa wate bago kwa. Injo takete kobe side chikia singenjonje my understanding. Abantu kero bago takero umuntu akobe side chick my understanding as much as chitindi go support koba side chick. Umuntu agotaka kobe side chick yo muntu asengenjo muntu maybe akumwakanya rent akomorosie tuki omwa pocket money. There are favors nchiro konyora kurwa so muntu
nkonkorari cho but hivi money chipesa boli mimi staki lakini mote intaite gekoro togete ngongorerari ndaite yanga gete ngongorerari ndaite rent atanilipia
iko amae rongo tebanga ni wivu inafanya unataka huyo mwanaume
si wivu kwa mwese koyo
ngo treat gware biye kubwabu no go treat ubona tigo osoro ro musareri ndayo
mwese koyo first mwaba menyete akuru mwabo cha ororo boyfriend ya ira na mwabo igo rent tiyo mwese koyo nango korari gas at some point she used to support me bono I don't think mumrongo mo support yare ata tu naendirito kwenda lunch
ayebie ko monyene ngwate banga kermo kwenda out when you compare asago kuira na asago kuira friend yao era kumuira asare more respectable than you inki ndate berenga ninda mwamu bwate ngaki umurusi ororo erindo you get the favors akonyo
kwenda big hotel staki nimbwate shida nayo nechindagira timaito sinege ntombwate sobongo but nimbwate shida nechindagira chi hotel chinene I believe na mafuta manga ontanyare ko accommodate senda yani nebone
simple you are just cheap all round
no I'm original no ndaito ko ba inje ndaito ku ngai
ya gusareri umuise konde relationship ya gocha kubuka kurukono kere relationship ne bwate challenges tari yabo yoka ata hii yako na mongeana ngocha gweka muri gati mugosane
lakini mbona
ndiyo mumuro no mukore
kero na chorire ko be side chick ntauta iti attention mingi ngyo kanira kiende mwane a call I'm okay mote ile unafaa kwenda salon yanga kanere I'm okay tintageti si lazima tuonane nataka tu nimsikie na nijue ananijali tintageti tuumirane kimuberea manini just talk
wono you expect umusacho you apa sacha bamanyete ako akanire tuki ako akanire nyumba akugurire chianga muumirana
gewikabu no inje na bonde bwatu kibono ntako mugakone nje bweka oyu maybe ndachi ko beside chikintamanyeti gosembe
ngora igure gento bagoteba what goes around
comes around
unabona igobwata musacho bande gosege boyfriend ya bande because of favors icho goteba no cho motigori yo personal oyo personal nera na chanyoro yo kuira the time you are taking from the other one
I think ntamanyeti te ko ba issue ongendri yeah ko
issue asenge cho musubati yo